What's up, YouTube? Fishing with J Boogie here. In case you couldn't tell, I just woke up, but me and Max are going back out to Truman today. Got my pole right here, and he's about to come pick me up, and then we're gonna go. I'll let you know whenever we get to the lake. More thing before we get out to the lake. I don't know why the quality on the last video was so bad, but if you haven't seen it, go ahead and like it up. Go watch it. It's a good one. Got some PBs in it, and yeah. Alright guys, what's up? Just got to the marina. We're gonna get the boat ready to put it in the water, and I'll pick it back up after we get it in. Alright guys, we got the boat in the water. About to go to the marina and get some water because it's gonna be mid-90s today. But we're gonna try and get on some monsters. Alright guys, sadly we can't fish today because the propeller on the boat needs tightened. This thing right here. And I need some oil, and this marina doesn't sell the oil. So we're probably just gonna come back tomorrow. So I'll pick this back up whenever we come back out. Guys, I'm editing this back right now, and this next clip that you're about to see might be a little confusing because I lost some of the other footage. Well, boys, today looks like I'm slaying them on the crankbait. It's a good old, it's a decent, God, what is it, a bluegill? But I'm slaying them on the crankbait, you know what I mean? What's up, YouTube? Bass. Yeah, bass.
I caught it.
Don't do that. You did not catch it. A little 1-pounder. But
I caught it, didn't I?
yeah, hopefully this gay kid can catch something.
Boy, I caught a 5-pounder yesterday.
We're about to get demonetized.